Hello friends, welcome to Bankers Platform. Today we have come again with new set of questions. So please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for JIB exam and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. So let's start friends. So today we have come with most expected questions for GIB and the subject is accounting and finance for bankers. Please make notes of these important questions for your future reference. These most expected questions can be asked in coming GIB exam. So let's start with our first question. Our first question is dash capital is the amount with which company is formed. Our options are authorized capital, subscribed capital, both A and B, none of the above. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is A, authorized capital. So authorized capital is the amount with which company is formed. जब भी कोई नई कंपनी बनती है तो फर्स्टली जो है ऑथराइज कैपिटल जो है वो इशू होते हैं. सो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Transactions are first recorded in dash and then those are posted to dash. सो जो ट्रांजेक्शन है, कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन अगर हम करते हैं वो सबसे पहले कहाँ रिकॉर्ड होती है? अवर ऑप्शंस आर लेजर, देन जर्नल, वाउचर, देन जर्नल, जर्नल, देन लेजर, both A and B. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C, journal and ledger. तो जो भी हम ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड करते हैं एज पर अकाउंटिंग नॉर्म्स, तो सबसे पहले जो एंट्री है वो जर्नल में होगी और फिर उसे हम लेजर में पोस्ट करते हैं. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. So in this you have to give the answer related to correct statement. So statements are: A, credit balance of the passbook means it is a deposit account. B, credit balance of the cash book means it is an overdraft account. Debit balance of the cash book means it is an overdraft account. D, debit balance of the cash book means it is an overdraft account. So our options are A to D are correct, A to C only correct, A, C and D only correct, B to C only correct. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B, A to C only correct. So friends, जो A, B and C statement है, these statements are correct. Let's move to question number 4. When balance in the cash book is the starting point, the check deposited and not credited by the bank are dash. अगर कोई कैश बुक है जिसमें बैलेंस जो है स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे चेक डिपॉजिट हुआ है और वो बैंक ने क्रेडिट नहीं किया, सो व्हाट विल बी चेंजेस? सो एडेड, डिडक्टेड, नॉट चेंज, नन ऑफ द अबव. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर इज डिडक्टेड. So here the option B will be correct. Let's move to question number 5. Dash is a statement showing debit and credit balance taken from ledger, including cash and bank balances as on a particular date. So our options are reconciliation, trail balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B, trial balance. So trial balance is a statement showing debit and credit balance taken from ledger, including cash and bank balances on a particular date. Let's move to question number 6. Posting of correct amount has been made, but on the wrong side. This is an error of. हम कोई पोस्टिंग कर रहे हैं और वो पोस्टिंग अमाउंट हमने सही लिखा है बट रॉन्ग साइड, मे बी डेबिट का क्रेडिट लिख दिया या क्रेडिट का डेबिट. सो ये किस तरह का एरर है? वो ऑप्शंस आर ओमिशन, कमीशन, प्रिंसिपल, कंपनसेटिंग एरर. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज कमीशन, error of commission. So friends, related to error of omission, commission, principal, compensating error, sometime half mark question is there, so you should be well aware of this. Let's move to question number 7. Name which of the following error are not error of commission. So our options are wrong amount has been posted, correct amount has been posted on the wrong side of the account, a mistake has been made while balancing the ledger account, a sale of goods has been made for rupees 500 but not entered in sale journal. Let's see which is incorrect statement. And the correct answer is D, Sale of good has been made for 500 but not entered in sale journal. This is not a type of error of commission. रेस्ट ए बी सी ये जो तीनों है ये एरर ऑफ कमीशन के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. One-sided error has been located before preparing the trial balance. It can be rectified by. Our options are changing the balance of the trial balance, increasing the balance in the individual account, decreasing the balance in the individual account, correcting the posting in the concern account. So let's see, friends, what is the correct answer. Correct answer is D. So this type of error can be rectified by correcting the posting in the concerned account. Let's move to question number 9. A firm finds that during the last month of the year, an amount of 3,500 received as cash from XYZ has been posted as 5,300 to their account. The entry will be rectified. So, एक फर्म है जिसमें लास्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर 3,500 की जो कैश की एंट्री है वो 5,300 entered हो गई है. So how this will be rectified? So our options are no journal entry if correction is to be made before trial balance, debit XYZ account and credit suspense account if trial balance has been made. C. Credit XYZ account and debit suspense account if trial balance has been made. And D is A or B. Let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is D. A or B. So if in this you can see no journal entry, कोई भी जर्नल एंट्री हम नहीं करेंगे इफ करेक्शन इज टू बी मेड बिफोर ट्रायल बैलेंस. अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस से पहले है तो कोई एंट्री करने की जरूरत है, और अगर अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस बन गई है देन वी हैव टू डेबिट द एक्स वाई जेड अकाउंट एंड क्रेडिट सस्पेंस. सो ए और बी वी कैन टेक these two points for rectification. Let's move to question number 10. At the end of each financial year, all accounts of dash and dash are transferred to trading and profit and loss account called closing entry. So, which accounts are transferred? Asset liability, income liability, expenses, assets, income expenses. So, let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is D. Income and expenses. So, हर फाइनेंशियल ईयर के लास्ट में जो है इनकम और एक्सपेंसेस को जो है हम ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं ट्रेडिंग में या प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में और एंट्री क्लोज कर दी जाती है. लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. An expenditure which helps in generating revenue for more than 1 year is called dash expenditure, and an expenditure which generates the revenue in the same year is called dash expenditure. So let's see what are the options. A. Revenue, capital, capital revenue, capital, capital, revenue, revenue. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B. कैपिटल रेवेन्यू. सो फ्रेंड जो भी एक्सपेंडिचर होते हैं एक्सपेंडिचर विच हेल्प इन जनरेटिंग रेवेन्यू फॉर मोर देन 1 ईयर, एक साल से ज़्यादा अगर कोई ऐसा आर्टिकल है कोई ऐसा एक्सपेंडिचर है जो हमें एक साल से ज़्यादा रेवेन्यू जनरेट करके दे तो उसे हम कहते हैं कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. और जो एक्सपेंडिचर हम करते हैं जो हमें एक सेम ईयर में रेवेन्यू जनरेट करके दे दैट इज कॉल्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. सो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Which of the following expenses is not a deferred revenue expenditure? Huge advertisement expense to promote a new product, expenses incurred on raising capital through public issue by a company, purchases of machinery on credit from supplier, expenses for formation and registration of a company. So let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is C, purchase of machinery on credit from supplier. So this is not a deferred revenue expenditure. Let's move to question number 13. Capital subscribed by the public is called dash capital. Authorized, subscribe, preference, all of the above. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B. Subscribed capital. जो भी capital public subscribe करती है that is called subscribed capital. So friends, let's see some different types of share capital because many times questions are asked from these different type of capital. So our first is nominal, registered or authorized capital. Amount of capital with which the company is registered. जब भी बिगनिंग में कोई भी कैपिटल जो कंपनी जिससे रजिस्टर्ड होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड nominal, registered, or authorized capital. So same question was given in the beginning also. And next is issued capital, that part of authorized capital which is offered to the public for subscription. लाइक ऑथराइज कैपिटल अगर 100 है और 100 में से जो कंपनी है वो 50 इशू करती है फॉर सब्सक्रिप्शन, तो वो जो 50 है दैट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ इशूड कैपिटल. एंड नेक्स्ट इज सब्सक्राइब कैपिटल, दैट पार्ट ऑफ इशूड कैपिटल फॉर विच एप्लीकेशंस आर रिसीव फ्रॉम द पब्लिक. अगर कंपनी ने 50 कैपिटल जो है इशू किए हैं, तो उसमें से सब्सक्राइब कितने हुए, अगर तो 50 है देन 50 issued capital will convert into subscribed capital. And if less capital are subscribed, so you can say 40 are subscribed and 10 are issued. So next is called up capital, amount on the shares which is actually demanded by the company to be paid. So sometime company asks the subscribers, shareholders, that they can buy back, they will buy back the shares, so that is called up capital. Next is paid up capital, the part of the called up capital which is offered and is actually paid by the member. That is called paid up capital. Next is reserve capital, the portion of the share capital which has not been already called up and shall not be capable of being called up except in the event of winding up of the company. So it is a part, it is a portion of share capital. ये एक पोर्शन होता है जो which has not been already called up and shall not be. ये जो reserve capital है that will be only touched when company is going to be wind up. So these are some of the different types of share capital. Let's move to next question. Question number 14. Trial balance is made to detect error of omission, error of commission, error of principal, none of these. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is D. None of these. Because preparing a trial balance of for a company serves to detect any mathematical error that have occurred in the double entry accounting system. जो हम ट्रायल बैलेंस प्रिपेयर करते हैं मैथमेटिकल एरर को चेक करने के लिए. If total debit equal the total credit, the trial balance is considered to be balanced. अगर जितना डेबिट है उतना ही अगर क्रेडिट हो जाता है, so that means trial balance is balanced and there should be no mathematical error in the ledgers. So the main purpose of trial balance is to detect mathematical error. So these error of omission commission principle does not come. So let's move to question number 15. Which of the following parties in a bill of exchange do match? Drawer, the person who orders the other person to make payment. Pay, the person who is to make payment. Draw, the person who is to receive the payment as per order of the drawer. And D, none of the above. Let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is A. Draw, the person who orders the other person to make payment. This is the correct option. Let's move to, so before that we will see some points related to bill of exchange. So what happens in bill of exchange, that first, sell goods payment in an agreed time period. So this is a person, he is the seller. This seller person is called pay and first holder. He sells goods to this buyer and buyer will issue the bill of exchange, and it will be bank will be the drawee and acceptor. And when he will give this bill to the pay, pay will represent this present the bill for payment, and the bank will make the payment. So this is the structure how bill of exchange works. So the buyer will be the drawer and bank will be the drawee, and the person who is to get the payment is called the pay. So let's move to next question. Question number 16. X draws a bill of exchange on Y for 5,000, payable 60 days after date of the bill. He discounts the bill with his bank and pays discount of rupees 50. What will be the journal entry in this case? So our options are debit Y, credit bank and discount. Debit bank and discount, credit bills receivable. Debit bills receivable, credit bank and discount. Debit bills receivable and discount, credit bank. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B. In this case, debit bank and discount credit bill receivable. So this will be the entry in the journal. Let's move to question number 17. Which of the following statement is not true? Our options are amount of bill is received by the pay, Droy is the maker of a bill of exchange, acceptance by the Droy is compulsory in Yuuzhan's bill. Before acceptance of a bill, the Droy is not liable on the bill. So let's see which is incorrect statement. So our correct answer is B. Droy is the maker of a bill of exchange. This is the incorrect statement. Let's move to question number 18. If closing balance appears on the debit side of an account, it is said to have a dash. Credit balance only, debit balance only, credit balance or debit balance. None of these is correct. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is A. Credit balance only. Let's move to question number 19. Value of asset increases means credit in the real account, debit in the real account, debit in the nominal account, debit in personal account. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B. Debit in real account. So whenever value of asset will increase, so real account will be debited. So as you know, in real account we use debit what comes in, credit what goes out. According to that principle, this will be the right answer. Now let's move to question number 20. Which, while making the posting, the staff of a firm credited the personal account of the partner instead of the account of firm. This would be called error of principle, error of omission, compensating error, and error of commission. None of the above. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C. Compensating error and error of commission. So friends, this is set of 20 questions. So I hope so you all are benefited from this video. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Have a nice day.